everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually stood in Leo's room, which is unusual. I was just filming one of the products in Leo's room and then picked up the camera to talk to you guys, so that's why I'm in here. But hi and welcome back if you are a subscriber. If you are new, then hi, my name is Ellie. I am a mum. Obviously this video kind of gives that away. I am a mum of two boys. I have a 1-year-old and a 5-year-old, and I upload videos 3 times a week all about mum life, but a lot of cleaning, a lot of home organisation. I'm an organisation clean freak, so I share a lot of that, but also a lot of just raw sort of real motherhood, shopping, I don't know, the list goes on, hacks. So yeah, if you are new, don't forget to click subscribe before you go. So welcome to my latest video and my latest Amazon finds video. This one is specifically for mum hack products. Honestly, some of these products, in fact all of these products that I'm going to show you, have become just staple parts of my mum life. All the products that I share with you are products that I genuinely love and use around my home every day. So I'm going to share with you my latest Amazon mum find hack, and everything that I show you, everything will be linked in the description box below. If you scroll down, I've linked all of the items for you. So yeah, let's get on with it. Let me show you my favourite Amazon find mum hack products. So my first Amazon find is this pack of wet wipe pouches. So as you can see, they are super aesthetically pleasing like this. They have a little lid for the wet wipes to come through, but best of all is they have this little hook with the buttons so it can be attached to something, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Tired snowflakes are coming down. So they're so easy to set up. You just rip the top off your pack of wet wipes, pop the wet wipes into the case. Sound of empty streets. Seal the case shut so that the wet wipes don't dry out, and you are good to go. It's you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and so not only does this look really cute, but the best thing is you can attach it to something. So I am attaching this pack of wet wipes to the back of my baby's high chair. Well, I say high chair, he's actually on a booster seat now on a chair, but even so, I'm going to attach the wet wipes to the back so that they are always handy during meal times. No more running to get the wet wipes because they are there. My next find are these silicone placemats. So they actually came in this pack of 2. As you can see, they're super flexible because they are made of silicone. They're in this cute little cloud shape, but they are so perfect for messy babies like my messy baby, because you can just put their food directly on there. I also have one for my older son because he makes a mess as well, let's be honest. But it just means I don't have to worry about my table getting dirty, and they can make as much mess as they want. They are so easy to wipe down. I just get a baby wipe out of the meal and I wipe down the mat and the surface underneath. I pop it back on and we're good to go. It's like a made up place that only we can see. My next find is this plug night light. This is perfect if your child requires a little bit of light at night time. It has this little dimmer switch so you can choose how bright or dim it is, but it plugs directly into the wall and it's automatic. So as soon as the curtains are pulled and the room is dark, the light will come on, and then in the morning it will go off. There is absolutely no switching on and off required. And my final find is this sofa catcher tape. We all know how annoying it is when toys fly under the sofa. So you can get this little roll of Velcro tape that looks like this. It comes in 2 widths. This is the thick one, and this is the slightly thinner one, which is the one that I used. As I said, it is made of Velcro, so you can just loop it down and stick it back onto itself. So you literally just wrap it around your sofa legs, you stick it back onto itself with the Velcro. Stretch it along the bottom of your sofa, and there you go, you have a sofa catcher. Your toys will no longer go flying under the sofa, and they will get stopped by the catcher, as you can see, saving you a lot of cleaning up. there you go, guys. That was my latest video, my latest Amazon finds mum hacks video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and thank you so much for joining. And guys, I need to go back down to the boys because it is a bank holiday Monday at the moment, so we are all at home, and I've left Clint with them for a while now while I've been filming this video, so I'm going to go back down and join them. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.